Don't mess this up, dickbag.
It's coming right for us.
We gotta burn another.
You guys are fun to hang out with. Need a light? Good sesh, kids. Good burn. Sorry, guys. I was just a little bit out of shape. Just the way Jesus, I seen pussies kick on his neck. Hot fuck.
Dude, I don't work out a lot.
Yeah.
Ugh. I think I need stitches.
Punch someone for the coon, fart lord.
I can't feel my eyeballs.
Well, that's a crock of shit.
This kind of stuff isn't in the employee manual. Dude, I don't do well with the sight of my own blood.
Yeah, I'm not feeling very motivated right now.
I was just resting my eyes. You know, sometimes I feel like I'm the only one pulling his weight around here. I'm so fucking healthy.
You kids take your bad attitude somewhere else.
You fuck with the coon, you answer to his friends, right, guys?
I think I might close the shop early today. Dabble, Judy.
Light it up, new kid.
Hey, this is my life savings in weed here. Oh, man. I was hoping you'd burn that one, too. Make it a real party atmosphere in here.
Light up that last pile.
Sure, I get 5 minutes for lunch, but you can lay down on the fucking job. This is bullshit. Now for my best attack. My best attack. Hey, guys. Oh, hey, how you been, Eric? Oh, you're a cool guy, man. I'm psyched to see you, man. Yeah, this is for Classy. I threw in a couple hash nuggets and some Granddaddy Purple Shatter on the house. You'll come by anytime for a hookup.
Well done, new kid. Now get that over to Classy.
Here, kitty, kitty. Come on, kitty.
Hey, Forthy, want to see a naked... picture of your mom? Huh.
Let's dance. I mean, not literally, because I don't dance. Let's punch.
You've got this, butthole.
I call bullshit. I'm gonna crush you, pussy.
Microaggression. Hit him.
Ow! Can't do nothing right now.
Take that, Fourthie. Take your medicine, Fourthies. You guys are no match for us. Who to torment? I choose you.
Did Butthole just do something?
My turn. That's that. We got this guy.
For Fourthy Scum, you guys are kind of scrappy.
Ah, yeah.
Have your boyfriend massage that for you.
My turn. I've had it with this shit.
Ow, knocked him into the bleachers. Now you're gonna get it. Well done, butthole. Going for blood, guys. Correct, blood. Blood type AB positive. Jackpot. Captain Guy B, prepare that's right. It's like the bad guys bounce right off you.
I can't say no to kicking some Fourthy ass. Hey, don't look, you gay wads.
Here I go.
Taking a blood sample now.
Dude, you are trying way too hard. Yeah, I saw that coming.
For truth, justice, and everyone who's ever hung out with me.
Oh my god, I feel so empowered going after those meanies.
Hey, new kid, where to? Righteous. See you, new kid. See, here's the new kid now. You got Classy's prescription?
Damn well better hand my prescription. Well, it's about motherfucking time. Praise Jesus, I need this shit bad. If I don't get my medication, I lose my motherfucking mind. You know what I'm saying? All right. That's much fucking better. Alright, listen. The place y'all niggas need to go is U Store It. That's where they taking the cats, you know what I'm saying?
That's it. Coon, this is FastPass. The new kid got the intel from Classy.
Not bad, new kid. What'd you find out?
It's the U Store It in the northeast of town. Classy says the cats are being taken there.
The you store it. We should have known. All right, keep Classy safe. I'll get back to you guys soon.
Roger that. FastPass. 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 FastPass out.
Oh, Classy feel like she worth every dollar.
God, I feel like I've been waiting 3 years.
Oh, hey, new kid. Yeah, so it turns out gender is actually a little more, complicated than what we talked about yesterday. Okay, could you come back to my office so we could sort this out maybe? Okay, thanks. Okay.
Need to get somewhere fast, you kid? Better run fast. See you, new kid.
Yo. Oh, great. Thanks for coming. Have a seat. Now, I got some feedback from the principal that our discussion about sex, is the gender that you were assigned with at birth the gender that you currently identify with. Okay. Okay, great. So as you know, that means that you're cisgendered. Okay, great. Now, the next thing I want to talk to you about with your gender is your sexuality. Now, a lot of people think that gender and sexuality are the same, but no, that's bi. That's wrong. It's bi. Okay. Now, how would you describe the sex of the kinds of people you find yourself, sexually attracted to? Okay. All. Okay. Are you attracted to both binary genders, male and female, or do you find multiple genders beyond the binary definitions attractive? Okay. Just, whenever you're ready. Okay, well, that means you're... Oh, you're bisexual. Of course, you're bisexual, you kid. Take your time, okay? Well, I'm really